Saving our planet.
Would you eat plastic? What if I told you that table salt contains plastic and is killing us? Microplastics were found in table salt several years ago, but no one ever paid attention. Over 30 salt brands contain 90% of plastic in it. After this, probably you will double think of which table salt you will put in your plates, correct? But what happens to the animals that can't tell the difference between food and plastic?
As we live and grow on this planet, the world's ecosystem is a revolving door. We live in it, and without it, life would not be as glorious and beautiful as it is today. According to EarthDay.org, land-dwelling life species have declined 40% since 1970. Marine animal populations have fallen over by over 40%. Bird populations have been reduced by 20 to 25%. Freshwater animal populations have plummeted by 75% since 1970.
Who you gonna call? Earth Day!
If you want to do your part and help save our planet, you can volunteer or even donate to the Earth Day organization by getting into contact with the organization through these different methods.
The Earth Day program is the most known program around the world fighting problems that people know about and don't know about.
Solving climate change, ending plastic pollution, protecting endangered species, and reforestation are just some of the things EarthDay.org does. They promote climate and environmental education worldwide. They are planting about 7.8 billion trees just to protect our planet. This site will also teach you how to erase your footprints you've left. You can give to the cause, help power the movement, you can get involved and join the movement, or you can spread the word on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.
This message was brought to you by Brandon Crow, Jose Miranda, Lee Sims, Jake Matheson, Sidney Mosier, and Harrison Pfaff.